Hi, welcome to Dr. Zakir Math. In this video, I'm going to teach you exercise 19.2, which is in module 5, linear first order differential equations. What do you mean by linear first order differential equations? It means that the equation which can be written in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. If the differential equation is in the model dy by dx plus py is equal to q, then that differential equation is a linear first order differential equation. What about p? It's a function of x. And what about q? It's also function of x. Okay. So it's called first order because the highest derivative in dy by dx is what? 1. dy by dx is what? The derivative. So it's 1. Okay. And it's linear because y and its derivative appear only to the power 1, not square or multiple together. So to solve this type of equations, we need some integrating factor method. But keep in your mind, I'm not going to tell you how we are going to solve, but I will give you the solution of this differential equation directly. What is the solution of this differential equation? You have to memorize this solution. What is that? Y e power integral p dx is equal to integral q e power integral p dx plus c. It looks so big but easy to remember. Look here, there is integral e power p dx, e power integral p dx. This one normally in mathematics we call it as integrating factor, but you no need to remember, just remember as a formula only, no need to remember this English words. So y e power, the same thing is repeated here, you see, because of this integral, okay, and there is a dx is here, okay. So these two things are repeated. Here is y, here is q. So easy to remember, right? Okay. So this is a solution. Keep in your mind. So and also you need to remember one rule or one formula. In many places you will get e power ln a is a. It means suppose you get e power ln x, which is equal to x. So keep in your mind, okay. So e power ln 2 is also equal to 2. You can also check in the calculator whether you are getting this or not. Okay, but variables you cannot check, but constants you can easily check it out. Okay, right, let's go to the first question. Solve the first order linear differential equation dy by dx is equal to, right, dy by dx minus 3x square y is equal to x square. So let's solve this differential equation. So dy by dx minus 3x square y is equal to x square. I'm going to write dy by dx plus py is equal to q, right? So this is a first order linear differential equation. Why it is first order? Because dy by dx. So what is your p? Your p is the coefficient of y. And what's your q? The things which is after equal sign. Keep in your mind. Right? So what's your p? Your p is minus 3x square. And what's your q? Q is x square. Okay, right. So I'm going to calculate now e to the power of integral p dx because we want in the solution. Right. So this equals e to the power of integral minus 3x square dx. So this equals e to the power of minus 3 will come out. Everything goes in the top. Keep in your mind, keep your eyes carefully. Integral x square dx. So this equals e to the power of minus 3. Integral of x square is what? X cube divided by 3. And then plus integrating constant c. But no need to write. Finally we can write. 3 gets cancelled. So you'll get e power minus x cube. Keep in your mind. This is your e power integral p dx. Get it done. And then we'll go to the formula. Now I'm going to apply the formula. What is the formula? Formula is in solution. So y e power integral p dx equals integral q e power integral p dx plus c. Right. So y into, just now we got this one, right? E power minus x cube. Okay. Right. So this y e power minus x cube equals integral q. Just now we wrote the value of q, which is x square, right? Yes. So this is x square and then e power minus x cube dx plus integrating constant c. Right. This side there is no integral. Keep in your mind. And this side there is the integral is there. So you have to integrate this one. So now there is a product and this x cube is giving a problem, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put u is equal to x cube, substitution method. So du by dx is equal to what? 3x square. So du is equal to what? 3x square dx. What is substitution method? Converting everything in terms of what? U. That is the idea, right? So this one I'm going to call it as u, right? And look at here, x square dx. X square dx I have to call as in terms of u, right? So there is x square dx. I divide by 3, I divide by 3, okay? Right, so this happens to be what? Du divided by 3 is equal to x square dx. So this will be du divided by 3. Right, be careful. Finally you have to change this variable u. Okay, so what happens now? This equals, let's do on the right hand side. Okay, so this is equal to integral x square dx is what? Du divided by 3, and this will be what? E power minus u, right? Plus integrating constant is there. I will add it in the last step, right? So this equals, or you can keep writing, no problem. Yes. So 1 by 3 will come out. What is the integration of e power minus u? E power minus u divided by minus 1 plus integrating constant c. So this equals minus 1 by 3 will come out. E power minus u plus c. This equals minus 1 by 3, and e power, what is u? Your u is your x cube. So e power minus x cube plus integrating constant c. And what is on the left? Y e power minus x cube. What is this question? Solve the differential equation. When the question is says solve, it means you are going to give the answer y is equal to. You are going to give the answer what? Y is equal to, right? Okay, so keep in your mind you are going to give y. So what should I do? I want to give answer y. So I'm going to divide e power minus x cube. I'm going to divide e power minus x cube, and I'm going to divide e power minus x cube, right? So when I divide this one, I will get y equals here minus 1 by 3. This e power minus x cube gets cancelled with this one, right? And then plus here c divided by e power minus x cube, right? So still I can write this answer in a beautiful way. Y equals minus 1 by 3, okay, plus c. This I'm bringing to the top. E power x, if you bring down e power minus x. If e power minus x you bring up, it will be e power plus x. So it will be c e power x cube. Okay. So this is going to become your final answer. So this is what? Solve the first order linear differential equation. Let's go to the next question. Solve the linear differential equation dy by dx minus 3y is equal to 2. So let's go to the solution. So dy by dx minus 3y is equal to 2. So this is of the model dy by dx plus py is equal to q, right? Yes. So now what's your p? Your p is minus 3, which is the coefficient of y. And what's your q? Your q is 2. So p is equal to minus 3, right? And q is equal to what? 2. Teacher, you said p is a function of x, and q you said function of x. But now it is a constant. Of course, 3 is nothing but 3x power 0, and 2 is nothing but what? 2x power 0. So I have to calculate e power integral p dx. So e power integral minus 3 dx. So this equals e power minus 3 integral dx. This equals e power minus 3 integral of dx is what? X. And q is equal to 2. Now I'm going to write the solution. Y e power integral p dx is equal to integral q e power integral p dx plus c. How I ask you to remember? Here and here same. Here y, here q, and then one integral. That's it. Okay. So this equals y. What is e power integral p dx? This is your e power integral p dx. Okay. E power minus 3x equals integral q. What's your q? Which is 2. Just now I wrote it here. Which is q is equal to what? 2. So 2 times again this is e power minus 3x dx plus integrating constant c. So y e power, one more thing I want to say, that here no integration, okay, and here there is a integration. Keep in your mind, this is the place you always forget. So y e power minus 3x equals 2 will come out, integral e power minus 3x dx plus integrating constant c. So y e power minus 3x equals to integral of e power minus 3x is what? E power minus 3x divided by minus 3 plus integrating constant c. So y e power minus 3x equals minus 2 by 3. I'll bring this minus to the top. E power minus 3x plus c. What did I say? Solve the differential equation. So if you're going to solve the differential equation, you're going to give the answer what? Y is equal to. So divide by e power minus 3x, divide by e power minus 3x, divide by e power minus 3x. So when I divide this, I will get y equals, and when I divide this minus 2 by 3, and this gets cancels. And then when I divide this, it will be c e power minus 3x. Still I can write in a beautiful way, y equals minus 2 by 3 plus c, this I'm bringing to the top, e power plus 3x. So this is the solution of the differential equation. Okay, right. So very easy solving the first order differential equation. You have to remember one formula, which is y e power integral p dx equals integral q e power integral p dx plus c. So if you remember this formula, easy to do this question. Easy to remember, this side same. Here y, here q, and then one integral. That's it. Let's solve the next question, which is solve the linear differential equation xy dash. So let us solve this question. This is a little difficult question and you have to keep it as it's an important question. Xy dash minus 3y is equal to x power 5. What is your y dash? Y dash means dy by dx. So x dy by dx minus 3y is equal to x power 5. Let me ask this question. So usually when the problem is given, immediately I will write what? Dy by dx plus py is equal to q, right? Is it same like that? Always your coefficient of dy by dx must be 1. Keep in your mind. Is it not like that? So we cannot start the solution now itself. Before starting, what should I do? I should remove this x. How can I remove this x? I am going to divide by x. Okay. So I'm going to divide this by x. I'm going to divide this by x. I'm going to divide by this x. Why? Because to bring the form dy by dx plus py is equal to what? Q. So to bring this form, I'm dividing by x. Okay. Let's divide. So when I divide x gets cancels. So I will get dy by dx. And here there is a minus and 3 by x will be there. I will get y. And here 1x gets cancelled with this 4. I will get x power 4. Right? So now this differential equation is in the model dy by dx, okay, plus py is equal to q. Why not before? Because before there is a variable with dy by dx. So we should divide. Make sure always the coefficient of dy by dx is equal to what? 1. So now what is your p? Your p is minus 3 by x. And what is your q? Your q is x power 4. What do you mean by p? I said the coefficient of y is p. And what is q? Q is the terms which is after equal sign. Right. So now I need to calculate e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral minus 3 by x dx. So this equals e to the power of minus 3 will come out, integral 1 by x dx. So this equals e to the power of minus 3. What is integral dx by x? ln x. You know very well. Dx divided by x is equal to ln x. Right? Plus integrating constant what? C. Right. Now I'm going to apply this rule. E power ln a is equal to a. Keep in your mind. So using logarithmic rule, I'm going to take this one to the top. So what happens now? This will be e power ln. Okay. This will be x power minus 3. Which rule? The rule is ln. Suppose you have 3, right? This can be written as ln 3 power 2. This is called power rule. Teacher, only for 2? No, if suppose you have minus 2 ln 3, you can write ln 3 power minus 2, which is nothing but what? ln 1 by 3 square, right? Yes. Now, after that, I'm going to use the rule e power ln a is equal to a. This is the rule, I'm going to use it. So what is your a here? Your a is x power minus 3. So this equals x power minus 3. This is your e power integral p dx. You can also write it in a simple way. This is nothing but 1 by x cube. 1 by x cube. You can also write it, no problem. Right, and the q, there is no change. I just make a line. Q, there is no change at all. So q is, there is no change. Now let's go to the solution. Y into e to the power of integral p dx equals integral q e to the power of integral p dx plus c. Right. So y into, what is e to the power of integral p dx? 1 by x cube. And what is q? And the q is x power 4. Am I right? 1 minute. Yes, x power 4. And this is 1 divided by x cube and dx plus integrating constant c. Right. So this is y divided by x cube equals integral. X power 4 gets cancelled with this x power 3. So what happens? You will get only x dx plus integrating constant c. Right. Now this equals, here no integration, keep in your mind. Here there is an integration, so you have to do it. So this equals integral x dx is nothing but what? It is x square divided by 2 plus integrating constant c. And left hand side I am writing as it is, y divided by x cube. I told you this question is what? Solve the differential equation. Solve means you have to give the answer y is equal to every time. So what we need to do, I need y, but there is x cube here. So multiply by x cube, multiply by x cube, multiply by x cube. In the previous two questions I divided, but now we are multiplying. So this will be what? X cube gets cancelled, so I'll get y. Here x cube multiplied by x square will be x power 5 divided by 2. Plus here c multiplied with x cube is c x cube. Right? Is it clear? So this finishes your exercise 19.2. Okay, Alhamdulillah, we finished solving these three equations step by step. I hope now you feel more confident with first order linear differential equations. Again, my dear students, please like, share with your friends and subscribe for more lessons. See you soon in the next video, inshallah. Take care, bye bye. One more exercise is remaining, which is 19.3. That's the last exercise in module 5 of Gsma 102. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. East or West, Dr. Zakir Math YouTube channel is the best.